In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital business card to Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the main ways in which you will be able to add a digital business card to your Apple Wallet. Keep in mind that this is not something that you can do natively. So Apple Wallet does not allow you to simply add a picture, add your details, and create a digital business card directly from there. So you do have to use an external application. There are various different platforms that allow you to create digital business cards. The popular ones are going to include Blink, Uniquode, and then Wave. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on Blink, but essentially, you will be able to use any of these applications in the same general manner to create your own digital business card. So when you open any of these applications, you will be able to sign in to create a card. You can add a profile picture, you can add a bio, a description, also include contact information like your phone number, email address, website, and other social media addresses. Now, usually a QR code is going to be generated. You can share this QR code, and upon scanning it, they will be able to see your customizable card. But what you can do is also add it directly into the Apple Wallet. So as soon as this is done, they will be able to see it there, including your own picture. The QR code will also be displayed and stuff like your job title, company, and so on. They make the process super easy, and all that you have to do is use any of these applications, Blink, Uniquode, or Wave, to get this done. Alternatively, you can just share the QR code, and essentially you will also be able to visualize the QR code alongside the digital business card. You can find any of these applications through the App Store, and you will get instructions on how to properly set up the business cards. I hope I was able to help you on how to add digital business card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.